السلام عليكم. الحفل التمثيلي. آه الحفل التمثيلي، ما معنى الحفل التمثيلي؟ الحفل التمثيلي drama show. Alright. حفل means show. تمثيلي means drama. Okay. We also can say stage performance. الحفل stage. التمثيلي means performance. Okay. But the exact word would be show, a drama show. Do you understand? A drama arrangement, stage performance, something like that. The Al Haflu Tamthili, the total meaning is stage performance, drama, show. Okay. What can we see here? Faisal and his father are talking. فيصل ستقيم مدرستنا حفلا تمثيليا في الأسبوع القادم. ستقيم seen comes for indicating future. Madrasatuna, that means our madrasa. Our madrasa is going to arrange. A madrasatun is fa'il here, subject here, who works. So our madrasa is going to arrange haflan, an arrangement, tamthiliyan, a drama arrangement or a drama show. We are going to say here drama show. Fil usbu' al qadim, next week. Al qadim means the week is coming. Fil usbu' means week. Usbu' al qadim means coming week or next week. Okay. So Faisal is asking, هل ستحضر لمشاهدته يا أبي؟ هل ستحضر سوف came again for indicating something in future. هل ستحضر, will you be present? Will you come? Li means for. Will you come for مشاهدته, to see it, to watch it? مشاهدته, that means to watch or to see or to enjoy the drama performance, stage performance. Oh my father, يا أبي. مشاهدة من باب المفاعلة is something okay, watching or seeing, okay, viewing something. حضر يحضر means be present, being present. All right. هل ستحضر, that means will you be present لمشاهدته, to watch it, oh my father, to watch the drama performance. Al-ab, the father is saying بالطبع, definitely. بالطبع means definitely, undoubtedly I would come. All right. بالطبع means undoubtedly, definitely. Ma ismul masrahiyya. Then the father is asking, Ma, what? Ism, name. Ma means what? Ism means name. Ma ismul masrahiyya. Masrahiyya means the play or the drama. The play or the drama. What is the name of the drama? What is the name of the drama? Then Faisal is answering, Nasir Salahuddin. The name of the drama is Nasir Salahuddin. This is the name. This is the name of the play. This is the name of the drama. Sadiqi, my friend. Sadiqi means my friend. Sadiquka means your friend. Sadiqi, my friend Abdul Aziz. Abdul Aziz Sayaqumu will play. Bidaurin, the role. Will play the role of Salahuddin. My friend Abdul Aziz is going to play the role of Salahuddin. Okay, he will act as Salahuddin here. Bidaurin means, here is role. Okay, suppose I will play my role as a footballer, something like that. I will play my role as a leader. So sayaqumu bidawri Salahuddin, he will play the role bidawrin, the role of Salahuddin. Then father is saying, wa anta هل ستشترك في المسرحية? And you, وأنت, and you, هل ستشترك, will you participate? Sin came again for indicating future. اشترك يشترك means participation. ستشترك means will you participate? هل ستشترك, will you participate? سنشترك means will we participate? Okay. أشترك, that means will I participate? هل ستشترك, will you participate في المسرحية, in the drama? Will you play, will you what? participating in the play, in the stage show? Faisal is replying, Sa'azharu, I will appear. Sa again, Azharu. Zahara yazharu means appearing or coming in front of someone. Alright, showing oneself. Okay. Sa'azhara, I will be appeared or I will appear, I will come forward. Fi mashhad, in the scene. Fi mashhad. Mashhad means scene. Alright, there are plenty of scenes in a drama, right? In the scene of Intisar Muslimi, in the scene of Muslims' victory. When the Muslims will be getting victory, at that time I will appear in the stage drama. Okay, Mashhad means scenery, Intisar means victory. Alright, in the victory of Muslim, when fi ma'arakati Hittin, during the war of Hittin, when Muslims get victory, in that scene I would appear in front of the audience. Fil fasl al-akhir, when in the last part, in the last part of the drama, or in the last episode of the drama, in the last part of the drama. First means part, akhir means last. All right. So the Faisal will be appeared in the victory of Muslim during the war of Hittin, in the last part of the drama, or in the last period of the drama. Then the father is asking again, كم ساعة, how many hours تستغرق المسرحية يا فيصل, how many hours this will take, or will this take, to finish the drama? كم ساعة, how many hours. استغرق يستغرق means taking time. How long will it take? How long it will take to finish the drama? Al-Masrahiyya. Istaghraqa means to take time. Kamsada, how long it will take time to finish Al-Masrahiyya, to finish the drama. How long it will take for this drama? Faisal is answering, Sa'a, one is to Sa'a. Sa'a, one is to Sa'a. 1 hour, 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour. Sa'a means 1 hour. 1 is to Sa'a means half hour. Total 1.5 hour. From where to where? من السادسة حتى السابعة ونصف المساء. من السادسة from 6 o'clock حتى السابعة from 6 o'clock to 7:30 p.m. Masa'an means p.m. here, in the evening. All right. من السادسة means from 6 o'clock حتى until السابعة 7 o'clock and half more hour. One is to Masa. Masa means evening. Father is asking, yeah, كم يوما يستمر, how many days the show will go on? How many days this show will go on? كم يوما, how many days? كم ساعة means how many hours? كم يوما means how many days? يستمر, it will count. استمر, استمرر, يستمر, اجتنب, يجتنب من باب الافتعال. All right. Istamarra means continue, will continue. Al-ard means show, okay, exhibition. But here is going to be the show, the performance, the stage performance, theatrical performance. Faisal is replying, Salasat Ayyam, 3 days. 3 days. Yawmun, 1 day. Ayyam in many days. Minat thulatha'i hatta al-khamis. Minat thulatha'i hatta al-khamis. From Tuesday to Thursday. Minat thulatha'i means Tuesday. Hatta until Thursday. Till Thursday. Alright, al-khamis, yam al-khamis. Then Faisal is saying, Ana aydan abi'u tadhkir. I am also buying, and I'm also what? I'm also selling. Sorry, Faisal is saying, Ana aydan abi'. I'm also selling tadhakir, tickets. Okay, tadhkira means one ticket. Tadhakir means many ticket. All right. Ana aydan. I am also abi'u. Ba'a yabi'u means selling something. Abi'u means I'm selling. Nabi'u, we are selling. Tadhakir, tadhkiratan. This is what? Ruba'i for making its plural. There are plenty of ways in Arabic language, actually in Arabic grammar, to make a word plural from its singular form. All right. Um, so we will discuss the grammar aspect of plural, how to make plural, how to make singular in some other videos, inshallah. Tadakir means tickets. Kam tadhkiratan turid. Then Faisal is asking, how many tickets do you want? Arada yuridu means wanting. Kam tadhkiratan, how many tickets do you want? Father is replying, Urid, I want salas tadakir. 3 tickets. ثلاث تذاكر means 3 tickets لحفل يوم الخميس, for the show on Thursday. That means they will go on Thursday. لحفل means for the show يوم الخميس on Thursday. They want 3 tickets for that particular day. واحدة one for لوالدتك, one for your mother. لوالدة, li, that means for, walidatun means mother, walidatik means for your mother. One for your mother. Wa ukhra, and another one. Li akhik, for your brother. Wa thalith, and the third one is for me. Li means for me, and the third one for me. They will buy 3 tickets, so one will go for his mother, another 2 would go for his brother and father. Faisal is saying at-tadhkira binisfi dinar. One ticket costs half dinar. One ticket cost half dinar. What tazkira means ticket. Binisfi dinar means half ticket. Binis means half. Dinar means dinar. So one ticket cost half dinar. He is asking money for the tickets from his father. Assalamu alaikum.